How have you been? I hope everybody's been doing really, really well. I'm going to read you today a book called The Snowy Day, because I don't know where you are, but it's so hot that I thought maybe we could think about a snowy day to cool us off. Okay, but really, I hope you're doing well, and I'm glad to be back and reading to you. Took a little week off there. So today, it's called The Snowy Day by Ezra Keats. And all you have to do is sit back and listen and enjoy. The Snowy Day. To Tick, John, and Rosalie. That's who he dedicated it to. One winter morning, Peter woke up and he looked out the window. Snow had fallen during the night. It covered everything as far as he could see. After breakfast, he put on a snowsuit and ran outside. The snow was piled up very high along the streets to make a path for walking. Wow, look at all that snow. Crunch, crunch, crunch. His feet sank deep into the snow. He walked with his toes pointing out, like this. He walked with his toes pointing in, like this. And he dragged his feet slowly to make tracks. And he found something sticking out of the snow that made a new track. Where is that? A new track? It was a stick. A stick that was just right for smacking a snow-covered tree. Down fell the snow. Plop! Uh-oh. Right on top of Peter's head. Must have been cold. He thought it would be fun to join the big boys in the snowball fight, but he knew he wasn't old enough. Not yet. So he made a smiling snowman, and then he made some snow angels. He pretended he was a mountain climber, and he climbed up a great, big, tall, heaping mountain of snow. And he slid all the way down. He picked up a handful of snow, and then another, and still another. He packed it round and firm, and put the snowball in his pocket for tomorrow. Then he went inside to his warm house. He told his mother all about his adventures, while she took off his wet socks. So nice. And then he thought, and he thought, and he thought about them. And before he got into bed, he looked in his pocket. His pocket was empty. The snowball wasn't there. He felt very sad. While he slept, he dreamed that the sun had melted away all the snow. But when he woke up, his dream was gone. The snow was still everywhere, and new snow was falling. Hooray, hooray! After breakfast, he called to his friend from across the hall, and they went out together in the deep, deep snow. Oh, that was such a good book. That was the best book, and it is so hot that maybe we could have wished for some snow. So thanks for listening. There's some good ending stories here. If you want to look at the book, wow. You can maybe get it out from the library, or maybe I could come back and read to you all the ending parts. But thanks for coming. If you like it, hit subscribe, and then I get to read to you more. But I'm so glad to see you, and I can't wait to read to you more. And stay nice and cool, and wish for snow. Have a great day, guys. Bye.